Wow, very nice gift. Today is my birthday. I received this gift. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay, I was surprised for my vlog. Wow. From my daughter, Roseville, and son-in-law, Paul. Thank you. Thank you very much for the gifts today. I was surprised.
Google ng brand.
Oh.
Ang color.
Wow, very nice. Pili-palit ani. Pili-palit ani. And I have a surprise cute cake. Very nice. Wow. And also balloon. Wow, very nice. Sounds happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Pwede na mag-fan ka dito, makabidyo ka na dito.
Wow. Very nice gift. See. With remote? Hello.
Ulang tahun berapa? Sound.